explain about any object. This one, marker or duster, anything you have to take it and explain about. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tanvita's World. In this video, we are going to learn something little bit different for step-by-step process for beginners. Because everyone don't know how to start, where you want to start. So I am going to explain about step-by-step process. So you need to follow this. Then you can learn English language easily. Without English language, we can't communicate other country people or other state people because their language is different, our mother tongue is different. So you need to learn English language, at least little bit, small words. When you visit other country, other state, at least you need to tell them, right? I am hungry, I need drink water, drink, ask. At least little bit vocabulary you need to talk with them, right? So you need to follow these steps, then you can learn English language. Friends, I am going to explain step-by-step process, so you need to follow it. Stay tuned till the end so that you will get some information in this video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Well friends, learn English for beginners. Okay? First step means learn common small words. Small words, small vocabulary, you need to know that. Otherwise, you can't able to learn English language. At least you need to know small words. Like 60 top verbs I have to take in. So you need to follow it. Ask, advise, be, become, begin, burn, call, can. This is important. Come, this one also. Close, could, do, feel, find, get, give, go, have. This one also important. Here, help, keep, know. Next one is look, like also important. Learn, make, may, me, might, move, need, play, put, pray, pay, run, say, see, seem, should. This one also important. Show, start. This one also. Take, talk, tell, think, try, turn, taste, treat, travel, trust, true, use, want, will, work, would, wait. You need to learn at least these words. Can, come, have, like, should, start. You need to know the 60 words, 60 verbs. Then only you can learn, then only you can talk with anyone. Without these verbs also, it's highly impossible to talk with anyone. So you need to know the first of all, these small vocabs. All 60 words. I have written the words A to Z, so alphabetical order. So you need to follow these words. You need to know the at least small words. Then only you can talk with anyone. When you talk with them, at least drink like that. They will understand. They will give you some glass of water, some bottle of water. Okay? Please, you don't need perfect grammar. For learning English at the starting stage, you don't need perfect grammar. Just you need to know what is what. What is what you need. Just it's enough to learn English language at the basic level. When you advance level, you can learn more and more. At the starting level, very beginner time, you don't need any perfect grammar. Just you need to know just what is what. Okay? Don't go for in-depth. Next one is start listening. Start listening any English movies or any cartoon channels. You need to listen very carefully with the present mind. Start listening. You have to listen any video, English videos only. Either movie, either cartoon channels, either motivational speeches, anyone. You have to listen at least 2 or 3 minutes. It's enough. Don't go for full movie, 2 hours, 3 hours movie. It will get boring. Otherwise I can't able to learn, I can't understand these sentences, so I don't want to watch this one. You may get that like this. So you need to watch at the starting stage. You have to watch 2 minutes or 3 minutes. It's enough. You will get lot of vocabulary, lot of sentences. You have to use those words, those sentences in daily conversation with your friends and your family members, so that you can remember those words. It's very easy to learn English language when you follow the steps, when you know the ways to learn English language. So you need to follow. Listen any video, at least just 2 or 3 minutes. It's enough. Okay. Fourth one is tenses. You need to know just little bit tenses. I mean, we have 12 tenses, right? We can learn in further videos. Here you have to learn at least 3 sentences. Simple present, simple past, simple future. How to use this one? You need to know just little bit for making sentences. For simple present, ఇప్పుడు చేస్తున్నాం అనే పని I watch. Okay? I watch. Past tense జరిగిపోయింది. I watched. I watch. Okay? Past tense. Simple future. I will watch. I will be watch. I watch. I will watch. In future you can use will. So you need to know how to create the sentences little bit of past tense and simple present and future. How to use it, how to make the sentences by using these 3 tenses. Okay, we can learn further more tenses. So you need to know the right now you need to know just 3 tenses. Okay, you need to know just enough. Don't go for in depth, don't think about everything. Fifth one is then start English in your life. You have to start learning. You have to follow the simple words. You need to know the simple words, at least family words, family relations words, to conversation with your friends, or kitchen words, festival celebration words, or job place words, weather words. At least you need to know all the words. For example, when you are in the kitchen, you don't know words, you don't know all the words. Is it possible to talk with anyone? So you have to make a sentences. You need to know the words, kitchen words, so that you can easily talk with anyone in English. So follow the step by step. First learn kitchen words, then family words. You have to learn day by day. First day kitchen words, second day weather words. Like that you have to follow and remember those words, and you have to use these words in daily conversation, so that you can remember those words. It's easy to talk with anyone because you know the vocabulary. Next, sixth one is start speaking. All the things you need to follow, then you have the content in your mind. So you need to talk with anyone. Otherwise you have to explain about any object. This one, marker or duster, anything you have to take it and explain about advantages, futures and disadvantages, anything. You have to take it and explain it in front of mirror or with your friends, at least yourself, so that you will get some making a sentences and vocabulary, everything will get. So you will overcome the fear and you will get confidence. I am able to learn, so I want to put more efforts. Like that you will get. So you need to follow the steps. Okay. Last one but not least, seventh one, review and practice. Imagine yourself what you have learned today. Talk about it. Close your eyes. Remember that all the words, all the sentences and conversation, you have to remember that and talk about that only. Just at the end of the day, you need to know what you have learned today. Imagine it. And guys, remember one thing, you need to practice. Without your efforts, your hard working and practice, it's highly impossible to learn English language. It's not easy. Well, friends, this is the video today. We can learn English language through these steps. So you need to follow these steps. And if you really like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching my videos. We will meet on next interesting video. Till then, take care. Bye.